Welcome to fixitforgetit.com, where projects and ideas come together.
Hi, this is John from fixitforgetit.com. If you like helping ferals out and participating in the TNR programs for trap, neuter, and release, these are great cages for that. But what I really wanted to show you is, see that little dish right there? We're getting ready to see if we can trap a feral right now. And these little magnetic dishes, these are used for putting parts in, nuts and bolts and things when you're working on a lawn tractor or something. But this is a great idea for trapping ferals. So see how that'll fit right there. You can tilt it and move it and carry it around, and that way the dish doesn't slide all over. And even when you've caught the cat and it sort of darts back and forth, that's a little more likely to somewhat stay in place. So I just wanted to mention that. That may help you out as you try to help these critters out. Appreciate you stopping by. We'll see you in the next video, and I will have some affiliate links down in the description.